Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to create PlayStation account. So let's get started. So from your browser you type in www.playstation.com playstation.com. Then you select your country or your region. So as you can see, there is no Nigeria. What are we gonna do? I just say Nigerians are not eligible. That's not fair. Should we just pick any country? Let's pick South Africa. So we pick South Africa, and then the next thing we want to create an account. So good. The next thing I'm gonna do is, this is really nice, Call of Duty. Okay, let's concentrate. I want to create an account. The next thing I'm gonna do is gonna click on sign in. Create an account. So you click on create. So you put in your region. Then you're using South Africa. Let's see, the letters is Nigeria now. Look, Nigeria is not there. So let's go for South Africa. Imagine I have to claim to be a South African. So click on next. Then you put your date of birth correctly for security purpose. So players won't be able to see it. Blah blah blah. So the information you use to create your account needs to be accurate. It will be used to manage and secure your accounts and for when you make purchases. Click on next. Then you have to enter a valid email address and a secure password because important information will be sent to this email address. And your email address is also used when you forget your password. Other players won't be able to see it. So let's put an email address. I don't want to use this. I want to choose my one. I don't want to choose mine. I'll be careful. Let's say I want to use this. Let's say I want to use this as the password. So they don't want a password. What am I gonna do? Let's just use the password chosen by the computer. A strong password. Please save that password because I have no idea what I just did. Yep, password saved. Thank you. Now, so let's just see. In South Africa. Okay, so you put in the city, you put in the state province, you put in the city, let's say it's Lusaka in South Africa. I really don't know. So the states, give me a state in South Africa. Let's do something. Let's go to Gemini. But you're supposed to put in the right information. So you have to put in the right information. I'm not eligible, that is why I'm using the fake one. So we see Gauteng, Johannesburg. Gauteng is province in another city. So Gauteng. Okay, let's go to that. Gauteng. So you should register NNES before the bug. So you have to register, put in your something's wrong. Postcode. Let me ask it to give me the postcode from here. Let's see what you got. 2000 is the postcode. And then click on next. So next you have to enter your online ID and your name. Other players can see your online ID in online features such as games, chats, and friend searches. It's recommended that you don't include your real name or personal information. This name will be used in emails that will be sent from places where other players won't be able to see it. So let's say I want to use this as my online ID, then real name, last name, and then click on next. This ID is not available. Wow. Okay, let's make it better. Still not available. Are you kidding me? Okay. Let's put a dash in between. Is it available now? So yes, user ID is available. Okay, so as we can see, it's not available. Let's put something here. Let's try again. Are you? You just want me to pick from these suggestions, I'm guessing. So okay, let me use one puzzle, vocal crab. Oh, weird names are these. Okay, fine. Mystic Brass 49. Next. Let's hope I remember all these things later. Select how you like to receive information about new products. Let's see. Receive it right here. Just agree. And that's it. Your account has successfully created. So that is how to create an account in PlayStation, or how to create a PlayStation account.